まだ。
犬だったんだ。Thank you, Auntie Stacy.
Thank you for what?
The presents.
Ooh, what you got? What is that?
I don't know. Statue?
Statue?
Statue of what? Snowman statue?
Is it a snowman statue?
It has a guitar.
Ooh. You like playing the guitar? What? What's the matter? Why you say
I don't know. I should not say I don't know because Daddy said no.
Yeah.
No saying I don't know. He's gonna give you the punishment, the tickle punishment. Tickle fingers. He called it. If it was the tickle fingers, then it's powerful.
It's a powerful tickle finger.
Do you need help? No.
Yeah, you should help before he's gonna break it. Where's all the presents?
By the Christmas tree.
By the Christmas tree?
Yeah. Here's some cards, like matching game. You know.
Ah.
Here's some. What's this? Oh, that's something. That's his guitar. Put it in his hand. He has a snowman hat.
Where's other gift, Casey?
They're in the bag. By the Christmas tree. Yep.
Oh. You guys waiting for the Christmas day, huh?
Can we open it?
It's not Christmas yet.
Yeah, so we can't open it, said Cody. That's me eating Santa's hat when I was a baby.
Oh, yes.
And which one did I make? And this one was when I was a baby.
Yeah, that's Cody, baby.
And this is mine. Where is it again? That was somewhere here. Oh, this one.
That's you?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Yay.
Mine is did you do it same? It's a book. A special Christmas baby book.
Yeah,
Where's mine?
finally we got the Christmas tree.
Yeah. And here's a present.
Here's a present.
This is mine. This is Casey's.
What's that?
I don't know what I got. This one's mine and that's yours.
Hey, stop, you guys. You guys can't open till Christmas Day. And
Where's the holiday gift card? Well, thank you very much for the big presents.
yeah, we should wait a little bit more. But
Yeah, because we can't wait for Christmas. We can't wait for
too bad. You guys won't be here for the Christmas, so you guys
yeah.
gotta wait till
forgot.
next year.
Aw.
Aw. Okay, everybody. One more time.
Thank you, Auntie Stacy, for the wonderful presents.
Yes, thank you very much for remember about them every time. Thank you so much.